All right, damn, who key on the floor? All right, YouTube, we back with another video. So Swayby Vlogs. We're gonna get y'all some different content today, man. I'm gonna take the dogs, not all the dogs. I'm gonna take a few of the. Oh, but listen. Let me get y'all some different content today. I'm gonna take a few of the pups to the dog park. It's a dog park that should be in the area somewhere. I talked to my neighbor. He says one not too far up the street. So I'm gonna take the dogs to the dog park. Let them get a little run around there. Let them get a different experience because all of my dogs have been to different dog parks, different places, except the pups. So today I'm gonna just take the pups to the dog park. But I'll meet y'all there. Y'all stay tuned. I'm pretty sure they'll get along with other dogs very fine. Come on, y'all, let's ride. Y'all know I got my Capri Sun too. These little gentlemen right here. This that ish right here. But y'all come on, man. Y'all come slide with me. Let's go, y'all ready? Y'all ready to go? Draco, come here, Draco. Draco, come here. Draco. Draco, where you going, son? Come here, Draco. Come on. Hey, man. You not going to the park, guy? I'll take you to the park later. You're not going to the park, guy. I'll take you later. Go, Draco. Y'all ready to go to the park? Draco said he want to go to the park today. But Draco not going to the park. It's hot. Go. Come on, Rick. Come on. Keep peeing everywhere. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, Rick. Don't run. All right, y'all, we're on our way. We'll see y'all at the park. Riri excited to be in the car. Last time Riri was in the car, well, the last time Riri was on camera in the car was when I first got her. But y'all know she been to the vet and she went and got her spa day and everything. But I had took the back seat out. I normally take the back seat out when I take them, so they don't use the bathroom on the seat. Which, you know, the pups are pretty much in the process of being fully trained also, so they don't really go to the bathroom in the car. Plus they went to the bathroom when I let them out. So they bet they're having fun. Nova, Riri, y'all ready to go to the park and play? I hope it's people out there though, man, because it's kind of cold. So I hope it's people out there and stuff like that. But man, from my last video did numbers. I ain't gonna lie, right now it's at like 30K. I really do appreciate all my support. I appreciate all the negativity. My last video, I kind of got out of character. I apologize for that, y'all. I don't normally get out of character when it comes to certain things, certain negativity. But it's just crazy, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not really worried about it. It is what it is. I appreciate all that negative energy also, because it just lets me know that, you know, I'm doing something right and I'm achieving and I'm striding, you feel me? And I appreciate that. So, positive vibes only. Anything negative won't get a response to at all. Again, I apologize for the way I acted in my last video, you know what I'm saying? But my real supporters, I do appreciate y'all. By the way, I meant to start the whole video off by saying this. If you new to my channel, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment on how y'all feel about the kid. Might as well go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because, you know, you're looking at this video for a reason, so you might as well just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Ain't no point of being a hater. But we're on the way to the dog park. We'll see y'all when we get there, all right? In the next scene. Nova. Nova.
Alright, so we just made it to the dog park. Ain't nobody at the dog park. But we gonna still walk out here. Riri, come on. Just follow behind. Come on, Riri. Come on over. Come on, Noah. Come on, Noah. Come on, Noah. Let's go. Everything, skate park and all that. I have a skate park, all this good stuff, basketball courts.
You can't really see that as far.
Yep. Long park we go. Sorry. Come on, Riri. Riri, come on. Come on, Riri. Sorry. Which dog park? Go to this.
This says large dogs.
Oh. Small dogs, I'm sorry. I got some large dogs right here. These dogs large. I guess we'll come over here. Small dogs, 135 pounds. Come on, y'all. Y'all want to smell the dog? No dogs out here. I'll ignore my tore up leaf. It was in the house with Draco, and Draco just tore it all up. So ignore that. That's not even your bowl you drinking out of, girl. Look, she went straight to drink water. That's your bowl, girl. Huh? Nova, here I go. There's the water, Riri. That girl look good out there. Alright, y'all, so we made it to the dog park. As y'all can see, ain't nobody at the dog park. It's empty. But I got the babies out here. They drinking from some random bowl, but I cleaned the water. I did clean the water out and I cleaned the bowl out. For everybody that's gonna freak out and be like, hey, oh my gosh, you got them drinking out of a bowl that you don't even know what's in it and this and that. The bowl was cleaned up. As y'all can see, we got the park. We got like a baseball field, skate park over there, basketball courts, all that good stuff. I might take them over there, let them interact with those people, see how they do over there. But for right now, we're just gonna stay at the dog park. Wait till people come out. People might come out here, so we're just gonna stay right here. Nova. Riri, come on. Come on, Riri, let's go. Oh, look at you. She said she gotta mark her territory at this dog park. I'm gonna get that up. So y'all gotta mark your territory at this dog park. Let me go get a bag and get this up real quick.
There's a ball.
Oh, here go y'all a ball. Look. 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 As y'all see, my dogs do not play fetch. There's doodle everywhere out here. Doodle everywhere out this thing. Literally doodle everywhere. Riri. Riri. Come here, Riri. Come here, Riri. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Ah, damn the ball. Get the ball, Nova. I should have bought my other dogs so they could have actually ran and played. Huh. Nova, get the ball. Get the ball, Nova. See the ball? See the ball? Go get the ball, Nova. Nova, go get the ball. This is called fetch. You go get the ball, bring it back. Man, fuck that ball. She said, man, fuck that ball. Not going to get that ball. Come on, Riri. Come on, Riri. Oh man, we finna go back to the crib. Cause obviously, well, I'm gonna let them play for a little bit longer. But I ain't gonna make this video too long because obviously ain't nobody at the dog park and I want them. The whole point of this video was kind of like an aggression check with them around other dogs that's not my dogs. But there's nobody here. Cause I don't understand why, you know, it's still midday, people still at work. It's cold out here. But it's cool, at least they got the experience of being, you know, outside of our house and outside of our home. Come on, Nova. Come on, Nova. Come on, Nova. Riri. Riri. Come on, Riri. Go get it, Riri. Bring it back, Riri. Bring it back, Riri. Oh, Riri, bring it back. You were so close to bringing it back. Come on, Riri. Come on, Riri. Come on, girl. Come on, Riri. Come on, Riri. Go get it, Riri. Go get it. Bring it back, Riri. Come on, Nova. Come on, Riri. Come on, Riri. Come on, Riri. Come on. Come on, Riri. Come on, Riri. Come on, Riri. Come on, Nova. Come on, Riri. Come here.
Here's a
I'm
dog.
done with this. This obviously ain't, this fetch stuff ain't gonna work, obviously.
Here's a dog.
Ain't coming here. Oh, Riri, come here. Come here, Riri. Come here, Riri. Come here, Riri. Come here. Watch out, Riri. Watch out, Riri. All right, let's go ahead and head out, man, because there ain't nothing really popping out here. So we're gonna go back and head back to the spot. Riri, come on. Let's go. Riri, come on. I don't know if y'all noticed, Riri doing real good on this leash training. I've been working with her a lot on leash training, so she's doing real good on the leash training. Come on, Riri. Get a little bit of a skate. Got a little workout thing right here. Alright. I can't come out here and play ball at nighttime because I just thought about something. They don't got no street lights, so I know it don't be bright out here, but we finna go. Let's go, y'all. Come on, Riri.
Come on, Riri. Come on, Riri.
Riri, come on. All right, CB family, that's the end of this video. We got a little interaction with other people. Not too much at the dog park, but it's still a success. The dogs did really well around the people. As we see, no aggression, but none of my dogs have aggression, so I'm not really surprised. But like I said, again, leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below your opinion. The skate park was nice. I'm gonna have to get my skateboard and come out here. I do a little skateboarding too now. I'm versatile. But like I said, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, we got a lot of dope content coming, cash giveaway coming up. I appreciate y'all. I love all y'all, man. We out of here.